XRP Ripple is on half. Despite the SEC filing an enchantment against Ripple, the community is extremely constructive, approximately the destiny of our loved cryptocurrency. Even the CEO of Ripple says that the rate of XRP Ripple ought to type of $425 very soon. Sounds crazy, right? But that is simple as the start, due to the fact nowadays we are able to speak the modern information from the world of XRP. That video will blow your mind. Disclaimer. The Ripple vs. SEC saga has taken every other twist, and the crypto network is buzzing with speculation. Recently, the SEC filed an enchantment challenging a ruling that gave Ripple a tremendous victory. The court docket had formally determined that Ripple's programmatic sales of XRP were now not considered securities transactions, a choice that sparked relief and exhilaration amongst XRP supporters. However, the enchantment has introduced new uncertainties. Many within the XRP community accept as true with that this flow by using the SEC as a determined try to lengthen the case and keep regulatory ambiguity. Zach Rector summed up the sentiment with his tweet, "Sexy getting uncovered whilst XRP receives geared up to blow up." The frustration of XRP holders is palpable, particularly as the case has dragged on for years. The enchantment has left human beings questioning what precisely Gary Gensler, the SEC chair, hopes to obtain. The middle of the CC's appeal appears to focus on Judge Torres' ruling that programmatic income that are Ripple's public sales of XRP do no longer classify as investment contracts. This was an essential point in decreasing the scope of consequences Ripple needed to face, and it's what the SEC appears to be maximum eager to project. The appeal has additionally delivered renewed attention to the broader question of the way XRP is traded on secondary markets. Many XRP enthusiasts are asking, if programmatic sales aren't securities transactions, does that also mean XRP transactions on exchanges aren't securities dealings? As one user mentioned, the SEC's appeal letter references now not simply the penalties, but the complete very last judgment. Mark, a prison expert who's been following the case intently, explained that this permits both Ripple and the SEC to attraction the total decision, no longer simply unique factors about the fines. This rationalization is crucial due to the fact many had assumed the appeal was most effective about the monetary penalties. However, Mark's perception suggests that the SEC's authentic goal can be to opposite the ruling on whether or not Ripple's income was securities, aiming to reintroduce regulatory oversight over XRP's broader marketplace. The CC has scheduled an emergency assembly to speak about a settlement of the XRP lawsuit appeal. Levy tweeted, signaling the possibility that a resolution could be nearer than predicted. This comment fueled even more speculation, approximately whether or not the CC is reconsidering its method, in particular after going through backlash for the lawsuit. After all, the SEC to begin with sought tons harsher penalties than what became dominated, and this shift closer to an attraction is probably a strategic pass to get better a few ground. There is growing consensus inside the XRP network that the SEC's consciousness is not just on Ripple, however, on putting a precedent that might practice to other cryptocurrencies. Mark pointed out that despite the fact that the SEC in the beginning requested hefty fines, its actual problem is not the money. Instead, the SEC seems to be trying to reinforce its authority inside the crypto area, potentially influencing how other tokens are regulated within the destiny. This broader implication of the case is what makes it so great, now not just for Ripple, but for the complete cryptocurrency surroundings. The implications of this felony conflict stretch past Ripple's on-the-spot destiny. A ruling in desire of the SEC could tighten the regulatory noose on other crypto tasks, forcing more virtual property into the world of securities law. On the opposite hand, if Ripple keeps to succeed, it would pave the manner for a brand new generation of crypto law, where virtual belongings like XRP are diagnosed for their application in place of being confined by way of old economic frameworks. As the felony drama unfolds, it is clear that XRP is caught in excessive stakes struggle so that it will have an effect on the future of the cryptocurrency enterprise. The CC's aggressive stance contrasts sharply with Ripple's determination to thrust back. And many inside the crypto global are anxiously waiting to look whether this attraction will change the game or truly drag the case on longer. And it is about to get even more excessive. Experts are actually predicting that XRP Ripple may want to skyrocket by an implausible 80,000%, sending shockwaves through the whole crypto marketplace. This isn't just any other price prediction. It's a sport changer that could redefine the destiny of digital assets. If you notion you'd seen all of it, suppose once more, what's coming will absolutely shake up the cryptocurrency area, and also you won't want to miss it. Get ready, due to the fact that it's going to blow your mind. So the pleasure surrounding XRP is heating up, with many analysts pointing to a ability explosive surge that could make headlines throughout the crypto international. Jack the Rippler captured the temper flawlessly when he tweeted, XRP will make you the first mogul on your circle of relatives. Bold, sure, but there is a motive so many are paying interest. And it's not simply blind hype. Recently, prominent analyst Crypto Bull highlighted a fascinating pattern that indicates XRP can be on the verge of repeating its mythical 2017 rally, wherein it skyrocketed by a jaw dropping 80,000%. Crypto Bull's technical analysis has drawn the eye of XRP lovers who believe history is ready to copy itself. In his evaluation, Crypto Bull pointed to a triangle pattern forming on XRP's chart, a traditional sign in technical analysis that regularly hints at an impending breakout. Triangle styles seem at some stage in consolidation phases wherein an asset's charge moves inside narrowing fashion lines. In XRP's case, these fashion lines are last in on the modern-day price, a setup that has traditionally caused explosive movements. As Crypto Bull explained, nobody counted how plenty you deny it. This can occur, a sentiment echoed with the aid of many in the crypto area. The chart features inexperienced strains representing the narrowing obstacles of the triangle, with purple strains indicating essential guide and resistance levels. For years, XRP has consistently bounced off those degrees, respecting long time period assist while suffering to interrupt via resistance. What's essential here is that XRP has currently dipped under its lengthy term guide, something that befell earlier than the huge 2017 rally. Crypto Bull's analysis indicates that this trendy drop might be a fake breakdown. That means that while it in brief fell below support, it fast regained floor. This form of motion is typically seen as a precursor to a robust bullish reversal. Looking at the larger photo, this pattern of recuperation aligns with the idea that XRP is in the early tiers of a brand new bullish cycle. The closing time we saw a comparable setup, XRP went on an astronomical run. If history repeats itself, we may be witnessing the start of every other file-breaking surge. Crypto Bull's chart would not provide a selected fee goal, but a comparable 80,000 cent increase would propel XRP to an extremely good $425. An outcome that would flip early believers into crypto legends. It's no longer just Crypto Bull who sees the potential. Other analysts have additionally pointed out that XRP's cutting-edge trajectory resembles the one that preceded the 2017 rally, and with XRP trading at $0.53 at the time of writing, even a fraction of that increase could make a vast distinction for traders. While the road beforehand isn't without its challenges, there'll continually be skeptics. Of course, the technical indicators seem to be lining up. In the words of Amenix, regardless of how a good deal you deny it, this could appear. XRP is on the verge of something huge, and if the charts are to be believed, we is probably standing on the brink of a crypto phenomenon that could all over again redefine what's viable inside the marketplace. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, one factor is for positive. XRP's next circulate can be historic. And of course, Ripple's CEO couldn't stay silent inside the face of such large information. He revealed even more secret statistics that has the whole crypto international buzzing. If you concept a surge to $400 turned into staggering, think again. XRP is probably poised for even more heights. Trust me, you're not prepared for what is coming. This is greater than something we've visible before, and it could completely exchange the game. Get equipped, because this is going to blow your mind. Ripple's XRP is not simply making waves within the crypto space. It's set to grow to be a prime player in worldwide finance. Recently, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse answered to Bitwise Asset Management's filing for an exchange-traded product centered on XRP. His phrases had been telling. First BTC, then ETH, it become handiest to be counted of time. This pass underscores the growing agree with and integration of virtual assets like XRP,